Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok device ban. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you posted that promotes illegal activities on TikTok, then this might walk you through device ban problem on your TikTok application. You'll first receive a warning in the application for the first time your content violates the community guideline of TikTok. If the violation is a zero tolerance policy, then it might result in device ban for TikTok. If you want to fix your device ban issue on TikTok, then the first thing to do is to open up your TikTok application from the app drawer and make sure that you are logged in. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right, and from your profile page, tap the hamburger menu at the upper right hand corner. Click Settings and Privacy from the expanded pop-up. From the Settings and Privacy page, go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Report a Problem. You can now write in an appeal. In order to remove your device ban on TikTok, from the Report a Problem page, tap on the pepper and pencil icon at the top right. Click on the pepper and pencil icon one more time at the upper right. And now, in the feedback form, write in an appeal to remove your device ban on TikTok. Also be sure to include your username details, and you must also provide a detail about why your ban should be lifted. You can also provide a screenshot if you have that will help you in the process. Simply go ahead and upload the screenshot by tapping on the image icon, and after you are done submitting your document and typing in an appeal, click on the submit button in order to send your ban lifting appeal to TikTok. That is the only way you can get around with this situation whenever you are going through device ban issue on your TikTok app. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.